I keep seeing these loony leftist morons posting shit about fascism and how, they're... Just clear something up for me. Does this quote sound like a conservative?
Don't call me a Nazi or a fascist. I'm not a socialist. We shall banish want. We shall banish fear. The essence of socialism is human welfare rooted in a fuller life for every American from childhood to old age. Wow, sound familiar? Guess who said it? Bernie Sanders? AOC? Joe Biden, perhaps? Nope. Adolf Hitler. I just replaced the word German with American.
Weird, huh?